Hi there, Econ students. It's Mrs. Linda Meyer. Forgive my appearance. It's my work from home day, so I kind of look a mess, but I don't really care. I just wanted to touch base on that partner project. I do have in your very first announcement regarding the partner project some information that will help you with it as you are frantically hurrying to get this done, even though I sent it out a week ago. Just saying. I know you're busy. I'm busy too. Trust me. Since I am busy and I'm going to have a life tonight and maybe hit the gym because I need it, I wanted to make sure that you guys understood that you are not responsible for your partner's part in this. If you're the first person to set up a discussion in your forum, which again, you go to people and then you click on groups, and then you will only be able to go into your group, and it will say, I'm pretty positive it says view right next to it, and you'll click on that, and you'll be right in your little group forum. You can either do an announcement or a discussion. I think discussion's easier if you want to type back and forth, but it's up to you. And if no one's been in your group forum, like you're the first person there, you just have to, again, tell them what product you're going to do, all right? And then you're going to tell them if you're going to choose the supply shifts or if you're going to do the demand shifts. It's up to you. If you're the first one, you get first pick, okay? And then when you are done with your project, just double check that they haven't sent theirs in. If they have sent theirs in, okay, if they have, you can certainly try and combine your videos. It's a lot easier that way. If you cannot and they have not sent anything in or whatever, you just post your video in that discussion or in that announcement and say, here's my part of the project, and you go and submit yours without them. That's totally fine, okay? You are not responsible for your partner's part of the project, and your grade has no bearing on what they do not do, okay? Just so you know. If you ask me questions about the partner project, I will tell you to see my announcements, as I've already done for some of you, just so you know, because I do make sure that I communicate stuff with you via announcements, so make sure you're looking there, okay? Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday.